In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Brevo email template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to design an email and save it as a reusable template so you can build future campaigns faster and keep your branding consistent. Start by opening Brevo and heading to the left-hand navigation. Click Marketing, then Campaigns. Choose Create Campaign and select the email option. Give your campaign a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Something like a newsletter or promotion label works well. When you're ready, click Create Campaign to move forward. On the next screen, fill in the key details, your recipients, and your subject line. Select the list or segment you want to reach, and craft a subject that's concise and relevant. If you see a preview text or sender name field, keep those consistent with your brand voice. Taking a moment here to get these right will help your design choices later and improve your results. Now click Start Designing. Brevo gives you several ways to begin. You can use a previous layout found under Basic Templates, pick a ready-to-use template with pre-built blocks, or start from scratch if you want full control. Choose the option that fits your needs today. As you build, keep your email simple and skimmable. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and a strong call to action button. Make sure your logo, colors, and fonts align with your brand, and keep images optimized so the email loads quickly on mobile. If your editor shows a mobile preview, glance at it to ensure everything stacks nicely. Once your design looks the way you want, it's time to save it as a template. Look to the top right corner of the editor for the three dots. Click that menu and select Save as Template. Give your template a name that tells you exactly what it's for, like whether it's a newsletter layout, a product update, or a promotion. Clear names make it much easier to find and reuse later. Then click Save as Template to confirm. That's it. You've created an email campaign template in Brevo. The next time you set up a campaign, you can start from this saved template, tweak the content, and send with confidence, saving time while keeping a consistent look and feel. If this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Brevo.